Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. In today's video I'm going to show you how I organise my bedroom drawers using the Marie Kondo method and how I took them from this to this. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every week on things like cleaning, cooking, hauls, lifestyle, a little bit of everything really. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you do enjoy this video, then please give me a thumbs up because it would really help me out. Right, let's get into organising my drawers. This is a job that I've been putting off for way too long. So I recently got these new drawers from IKEA. I did have the black ones before. I had a 3 drawer, now I've got a 4 drawer. So I've got an extra drawer as well, which, you know, more storage the better. And my other clothes are in the spare room still in the drawer. So the first one I'm going to do is basically empty everything out, put it all on the bed, go through it and decide what I want and what I don't want. So following the Marie Kondo method, she basically explains that you should go through each item and decide if it brings joy to your life or it's something that you use often. So that is what I'm planning to do now.
Fall behind every time that you're around. And it's a lie when I say that I'll be fine, I'll be fine. And in the night I tend to lose my sight. I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now.
So I've managed to sort all of my clothes into piles, and basically what's on the bed is what I'm keeping. So over here I've just got tights, then underwear, then just kind of random tops, sportswear, shorts and summerwear. And then down here is basically everything that I'm going to put in a bag and give to charity. Now that I've sorted everything into piles, I'm basically going to work on putting everything back into the drawers, one category at a time. So I've got these scub boxes, they're called. I got these from IKEA. You can get loads of different ones like this, but I really like these because I've got them in Arabella's bedroom too, and they fit perfectly in the IKEA drawers, or in fact any drawers. So I'm just going to open these up and probably use these to put my underwear in.
Now I can see clear through my mind, and the secret is to shut my eyes, and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind, and the secret is to shut my eyes, and see through my mind.
So one drawer down, only another 3 to go. So I've sorted out all of my underwear drawer and put it into different sections using these boxes that I picked up from IKEA. So in this drawer I've basically got kind of coloured underwear, then strapless and comfortable bras, then my everyday bras. I ended up getting rid of so many bras because I just don't wear them, so I needed to be ruthless when sorting out. On this one I've got my shapewear because every girl needs shapewear, right? And then just underwear and tights down here. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put in the rest of the drawers because I've actually got an extra drawer and I've managed to throw quite a few clothes away, so I might actually have a little bit more room than I initially thought. So what I'm thinking is I might put my summer clothes and swimwear in one of these drawers, or maybe pyjamas, and then go for kind of normal tops and at the bottom gym wear. So I've nearly finished. So I've got all my tops in here nicely lined up. So I've just got white kind of strappy tops and then what black strappy tops going into longer tops. Still got quite a bit of space here, so I think I might put my shorts here. And then in this drawer here, so my gym wear filled at the bottom drawer, and because I put all my hoodies and joggers which weren't previously in there, and then I've just got gym tops here, but I've still got quite a bit of room, so I'm thinking I might put my pyjamas in this drawer.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance.
So I have finally finished doing my bedroom drawers. It's taken me a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but I'm so glad it's done, as I feel so much more organised. The drawers look much better, everything is easier to find. I've basically had a massive sort out and I've got rid of those things that I don't really wear anymore or don't need. So my top tip, if you are doing something like this, is to be ruthless. If you don't wear it, and honestly, if you look at it and it doesn't bring joy to your life, essentially, you just get rid of it, give it to charity, sell it, but don't keep something just in case, because if you haven't worn it in the last year, the chances are you probably aren't going to wear it again. So I'll start off with the top drawer. So this is my underwear drawer, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out because I've actually got so much more in here than I had before. So I've got my bras in here, my underwear, and I also added my sports bras in here because I had some room here. So yeah, and I've used these boxes from IKEA, which I showed you earlier, which I think looks much neater as well, and hopefully keep everything in place. And then the second drawer down is my tops. So I've basically got all my kind of white and cream tops here, black tops here, then I've got shorts, and then I did have just the 3 columns in here, but I decided actually there was a little bit more room, so I kind of moved everything up, and then I've managed to fit in all of my summer clothes as well. So I've moved everything up and managed to fit a few of my summer holiday bits in there. So these are just kind of summer, you know, like beach cover-ups and things down there. So I'm really happy with how that's looking, and it's super easy to find things as well. And then next up, in this drawer, again I had loads more room, so I managed to fit more in than I thought I'd be able to. So I've got all of my gym tops down here. This section here are my pyjamas, and these are my kind of summer pyjamas, so like more like night shirts and things. And these are all in my wardrobe, literally just thrown in a drawer in there. So they fit in here much better and are much neater too. Then in the bottom drawer is my gym wear drawer. So in here, this side I've got all of my leggings, then I've got joggers and a hoodie, so a set here, and then this side I've got hoodies. So I do find that hoodies do take up quite a lot of room, but these were honestly just thrown in my wardrobe. So at least now they're in here, they're really easy for me to find, just take out whenever I need them. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some inspiration to go and organise your drawers and fold using the Marie Kondo folding method. It has honestly saved me so much storage space, I can't believe it. And it was really good just to have a really good sort out. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then I would love for you to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, bye!